Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning for the all participants in this room. We continue our discussion about the new probability models Rado Institute distribution for the part 2. In this part, we will try to discuss about the cumulative distribution function of the Rado Institute distribution. In the part 1, we have success to create the new probability model, namely Rado Institute distribution. We have success to prove that density function is a correct intensity function because we can show the integrate starting to 0 until infinity for the density function is equal to 1. And for this time, we will try to discuss about the cumulative distribution function. We know the relationship of the cumulative distribution function and the density function. The cumulative distribution function is equal to integrate density function starting the minus infinity until to x. FTDT. FTDT is mean the density function. We change the random variable by t, not x again, because x is become to the limit of the integrates, okay, the upper limits, okay. For to understand about the cumulative distribution function of the Rado Institute distribution, we can share our research. Okay, you can check our research. This is about the cumulative distribution function of RID. RID is mean the Rado Institute distribution. Like I said before, if we try to find the cumulative distribution function is equal to integrates starting to 0, because we know that the density function of the RID starting to 0 until infinity. So it's mean in the cumulative distribution function, we must find the integrate starting 0 until to x theta power k divide the summation I starting 1 until the k, the gamma function I multiplied by theta power k minus I summation I equal to 0 until the k minus 1 t power I exponent min t theta dt. So in this integrate, to success the find the cumulative distribution function, you must understand about the lower incomplete gamma theory. If if you don't have the information, what is the lower incomplete gamma, please join or come to the www.radoinstitute.com. You can find the more and the very, very clearly explanation about the lower incomplete gamma. Yes, of course, in Indonesia language. But for the mathematics, you are only try to focus with the formula only. If you don't understand with Indonesia language, focus to the formula. I think it's very easy to understand about the lower incomplete gamma if you try to focus to show the information in the www.radoinstitute.com. Okay, once more, if you don't have the information about the what is the lower incomplete gamma, come to the www.radoinstitute.com and you can searching the lower incomplete gamma. I think I'm very sure you can understand, because I try to make the very clearly explanation about the lower incomplete gamma. So if you understand about the lower incomplete gamma, so the cumulative distribution function is only summation starting I equal to 1 until k, lower incomplete gamma starting I, comma, theta x, power multiple by theta power k minus 1 divide by the summation I equal to 1 until k, the gamma function multiple by theta power k minus 1. I have give the, for example, for the sums lower incomplete gamma. For example, this is lower incomplete gamma for 1 comma theta x equal to integrate and the starting 0 until theta x exponent min t dt equal to 1 minus exponent min theta x. It's a very easy integrate, okay? And for the lower incomplete gamma 2 comma theta x equal to integrate starting to 0 until theta x t exponent min t dt. You just only use the partial integral to partial integrate, and you can find this integrate is 1 minus exponent min theta x minus theta x exponent min theta x. And this for the lower incomplete 3 comma theta x equal to integrate 0 until theta x t power 2 exponent min t dt. You are only try to using the partial integrate, okay? And you can find the result is the 2 power minus 2 power 1 minus exponent theta x minus theta x exponent min theta x minus theta power 2 x power 2 exponent min theta x. This is some example for the lower incomplete gamma. So, based on the equation 5, this is the cumulative distribution function of the Rado Institute distribution. Okay, by using equation 5, we don't need information what is the density function of the RID, because in the equation 4 we only need the information about the lower incomplete gamma and the gamma function only. You can check in the equation 5. So it's mean it's very easy to understand or to create the cumulative density function for the RID Rado Institute distribution. We are not important to know what is density function. We just direct come to the equation 5. We only try to using the equation 5 to create the cumulative distribution function. And of course, we must understand about this. What is the lower incomplete gamma? Okay, for the example, I have the new books. I have the new books about the model Rado Institute distribution, power Rado Institute distribution, and then inverse power Rado Institute distribution. I have the books. The books is still this is not perfect. Still the 75% only. Okay, we have the 190 pages. Okay, I can make the, for example, for the Linley. Okay, for the Linley, we are using k equal to. This is Linley. Okay, you must remember again with the what is the density function of RID. For k equal to, it's mean linear distribution. So we are trying to using the 5 equation. Okay, this is 5 equation, and this one, okay, you can using the equation. Of course, you can find the formula this one. Okay, until we have the fix of the cumulative distribution function for linear 1 minus 1 plus theta y divide theta plus 1 exponent min y theta. It's very simple, very easy. We only need the equation 5, and then we only need what is lower incomplete gamma 1 minus y theta plus incomplete plus lower incomplete gamma 2 comma y theta divide the summation divide by the gamma 1 multiplied by theta power 2 minus 1 plus the gamma 2 multiplied by theta 2 minus 2. It's very easy. Okay? To solve, to understand what is the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma y theta, this one, I have give the, for example, of course. This is 2 theta, lower incomplete 2 theta. You just only use this one. This is the result of the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma y theta. And this one is the lower incomplete gamma 2 comma y theta. So you use this function, okay? And then you change this function to this formula, okay? For this formula. Okay? And then, of course, with a very simple mathematics, if you are try to change the notation of the lower incomplete gamma to become the result of the lower incomplete gamma, you can success find the cumulative or the linear distribution on this one. Okay. Okay. For the next example, for example, we can come to the cumulative distribution function for the RID for the K equal to 6. K equal to 6 is mean the Sambu distribution. Okay. Well, this is formally you only use the equation 5. Okay, this formula for the cumulative distribution function. And this one, okay, you must use the all information about the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma y theta, lower incomplete gamma 2 comma y theta until the lower incomplete gamma 6 comma y theta equal to 120 minus 120 exponent mean y theta minus 120 y theta exponent mean y theta minus 60 y power 2 theta power 2 exponent mean y theta minus 20 y power 3 theta power 3 exponent mean y theta minus 5 y power 4 theta power 4 exponent mean y theta minus y power 5 theta power 5 exponent mean y theta. Use this is all the lower incomplete gamma and you change to the formula of the distribution cumulative distribution function RID for the K equal to 6. You can find the cumulative is very easy. You can find the cumulative of the Sambu distribution or the cumulative RID K equal to 6, 1 minus 1 plus theta power 5 multiplied by y, sum y power 2, sum y power 3, sum y power 4, plus sum y power 5 plus theta power 4 multiplied by 2y plus 3y power 2 plus 4y power 3 plus 5y power 4 plus theta power 3 multiplied by 6y, 12y power 2, 20y power 3 plus theta power 2 multiplied by 24y plus the 60y power 2 plus 120 theta y divided by theta power 5 plus theta power 4 plus the 2 theta power 3 plus 6 theta power 2 plus 20 theta plus 120 exponent mean y theta. Okay, this very easy concept. Okay, this very easy concept. Okay, so very, very easy concept. Like I said before, with the 5 equation, we don't need information what is the density function. Okay, you can imagine that if you have the number of mixture or K equal to 20, you just come to the equation number 5 to make the cumulative distribution function. Okay, I have read some research article like the Linley until the Sambu distribution. using K equal to until the K and using the K equal to until the K equal to 6. This is to using the very complicated formula to produce the cumulative, but with the RID distribution, and then using the equation 5, we can find the cumulative distribution function. Is very, very easy. Okay, I think it's nice information, nice discussion today. Once more information for you all. Like I said before, if you don't have information, or you don't have the knowledge about the what is the lower incomplete gamma, you can come to www.radoinstitute.com and you can come to the some tools, okay, some tools like the bedah riset in Indonesian, and then you can find the theory about the lower incomplete gamma. Yes, of course, I using the Indonesian language to explanation, but for the participants don't understand the Indonesian language, you can only focus to the formula only, to the mathematics only. Okay, you can focus to the mathematics only, because in this explanation, I give the very, very, very clearly explanation. I try to give the sums example, okay, to make your understand about the what is the lower incomplete gamma. I think this is enough for our discussion today. We will try to discuss about the another properties of the RID. For example, like the superpositive function, hazard function, and maximum likelihood. And of course, we try to make the application, uses some data, and makes the comparison to the other model. I think this is enough for today. Assalamualaikum, Rado Institute, and Dr. Rado Yendra. See you again.